Hello, for today's assignment, life skills washing dishes. How to properly wash dishes. Start with a clean sink. Then take dishes out and stack them. Clean the sink. Fill sink with hot soapy water. Number 5. Wash dishes from cleanest to dirtiest. And number 6, dry dishes. So this is a picture of a kitchen sink, a clean kitchen sink. And these are dirty dishes. Yucky. We use soap, and it comes in different presentations to clean the dishes. So now let's watch a video for better understanding.
Washing dishes. Sally is learning how to wash dishes. The first step is to fill the sink with soap and water. Then put the dirty dishes in the soapy water and scrub each one with a sponge. Rinse the soap off of the clean dishes, and lastly, dry the dishes off with a towel.
So for today's life skills assignment, number 1, what do you use to wash dishes? A, soap and water, B, a television and a remote, or C, a stove and food. What do you use to wash dishes? Point to your answer. Number 2, point to a clean sink. Is this a clean sink or this one? Letter A or letter B? Point. Number 3. What is the last thing you do when washing dishes? A, use soap, B, dry dishes, or C, use hot water? The last thing you do. So point to your answer. And this is it for the life skills assignment.